So I heard two guys named Chris on the radio today talking about girlfriends and bad bad girlfriends, I guess. And there were two girlfriends discussed, and one was set as like the good girlfriend, I think, and the bad girlfriend. But the good girlfriend didn't really get away scot-free. Because, well, let me first say, there's a situation with a birthday party, of her boyfriend's birthday party, and she plans a party, and I'll let her talk for a second so you know what's going on, okay?
Will never be planning a birthday party or party for anyone ever again. I am planning my boyfriend's 30th birthday, and I got a huge rental property with pickleball courts, and it's gonna have a taco caterer, and it's so perfect. It has everything he loves. His parents helped me pitch in for it, and it's gonna be so nice, and he's gonna love it. Oh gosh, none of his friends are coming. I invited about 20 of them, and none of them can make it. And it's heartbreaking, it's disappointing, and I don't have the heart to tell him that, and I wanted this to be so special, and I feel like it's my fault. I feel like I let him down.
So, this is the good girlfriend, in case you're wondering, because there were some complaints about the good girlfriend as well. Although I think it's kind of it's a nice gesture, I think, to plan a big party and invite all this guy's friends. But the complaint from the two Chris's, and Biggie also, actually really Biggie is the one I mostly agree with, but Chris Dim is second, and Chris Kelly and I never see eye to eye, because he's kind of annoying, but I guess funny sometimes. Like, for example, he annoys me because he gets fixated on certain things and he just talks about it constantly. For example, I think I mentioned before that he had this butt crack issue that he really just overshared about constantly, and it was weird. And now his thing is that he plays pickleball and eats healthy and eats salad a lot now. And it's very much part of his everyday personality, where he brings that to the show. I do like the show quite a lot, even though they're constantly advertising QC Kinetics, which is like a scam. So, but kind of feel, I don't know how much they're getting paid for that, but maybe it's necessary for them to stay on the air. I don't know, but that would be the only way I would be like sort of okay with it. Like, maybe it's necessary for them to stay on the air, but still I feel like it's a scam. So anyway, the complaint about this girl was that maybe she shouldn't have went on TikTok to sort of expose her boyfriend for having no real friends, because none of them could make it to this extravagant birthday party that she kind of tried to put together. And I don't necessarily agree with that. I mean, I wouldn't dump my girlfriend or whoever. Like, I wouldn't just dump someone because they tried to do something nice just because they posted on TikTok, even though it's kind of like the first reaction, I think, for a lot of people nowadays to like run to social media and post shit like this. I try to give people the benefit of the doubt, though, and just assume that maybe she wasn't really thinking that this would blow up and be a big thing, and so therefore she didn't really think about the fact that she's kind of exposing her boyfriend for having shitty friends or something like that. and for me, since I don't make a big deal about my birthday, and I am very introverted, I think this would be kind of an issue for me, to have like this big, this person who's just it's kind of overbearing, it's a little overbearing for someone like me, because I'm, I don't know, like, it's kind of sweet, but it's also kind of like, I'm assuming she knows her boyfriend well enough to know if he would enjoy something that is a big event for his birthday, rather than someone like me who would be like, oh my god, no. What have you done? Don't do this to me. Anyway, so I don't think she's necessarily the bad girlfriend, but this next case, okay? This is the one that is a little, well, it's not a little, it's a lot. It's a lot. So the story here is, because I don't think I'm gonna find the clip, but actually, if I find the clip, I will put it here.
Is 49-year-old Charlie Glenn.
Wanted me to take a walk with her, and I found out that she had a pistol with her, and she said it was a pellet run, and I said, well, let me see it, because I'm not going to go anywhere with you if you got a gun. And she pulled it out and shot me.
Paul Carpenter said he rushed to the house to check.
So basically, this guy and his girlfriend, they're going for a walk, and he, at some point, I guess, notices that she has a weapon, a gun, which he says is a pellet gun, but that he doesn't want to go on a walk with her while she has this gun. And as we will soon find out, there was a good reason for him to feel, to sort of, for his survival instincts to have kicked in at this moment, because what happens is they go for a walk, and I guess that maybe they're going for a walk, and maybe they get into an altercation, I'm assuming. I think that there's more to this story than the guy is telling, because basically he doesn't want to take a walk with her and while she has a gun, and something happens. We don't really know, because boyfriend doesn't really say exactly what happens, but he ends up getting shot in the dick, or more accurately, the testicles. So she shoots the pellet gun at his crotch, and it goes through. I think it shot him in the balls. One of them, both of them. I don't know. Shot him in the balls, and it went out and grazed his butt cheek as well. So, she's definitely the worst girlfriend, for this little story here. Possibly the worst girlfriend ever, but I think he's still alive, so probably not the worst girlfriend ever, because well, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I don't really know what I was gonna say about this, other than you know, if you're going to take a walk, a relaxing evening walk, and your significant other is carrying a weapon, then I don't know. I mean, maybe they're trying to protect you. I don't know, or maybe they're gonna shoot you. I don't. You know. But the thing about this story is that the guy involved thinks that, you know, he's still in love with this woman, and that they're still going to be together and all this stuff. And it's definitely some Stockholm syndrome sounding stuff, as far as it sounds like that, but with these kind of relationships where people are, they really don't really like each other that much, I don't think. I don't really know why they're together still, except I guess the sex is really good or something. I don't know, but there are people who fucking hate each other who get into relationships and they just keep fighting and breaking up and then getting back together and fighting and breaking up and getting back together. Everybody knows that, and it's sad. It's sad, and it's very concerning for people who care about the individuals who keep sort of thrusting themselves into these dangerous, toxic relationships and convincing themselves and each other that they are in love rather than they are in a very dangerous and scary situation. So, I don't know, look out for yourself. Don't never trust anyone. Just kidding. The first girlfriend, like, in comparison to the girl who shot her boyfriend's crotch with a pellet gun, Miss Failed Birthday Party looks like a saint in comparison. So, just remember that, okay? There could always be... You could always have a worse girlfriend than the one you have, who maybe sucks at some stuff, and, but it does not shoot you, so that's a positive trait, okay?